this is the biggest signs how we love our guests. Just check it out. It's all inclusive. We have everything for your basic life. Hi everyone, I'm Christina. I'm designer in Colife vacation home in Dubai. Today I'm gonna show you one of amazing one-bedroom apartment in Dubai Hills. This apartment have everything you need. So first of all, this is kitchen zone and dining zone. We are creating here table for 4 people, of course, because you're gonna spend a lot of time with your friends. So we have everything for your basic life. This apartment full of dishes, full of tools. Also, we have a coffee machine, kettle, microwave, and we are offering you the most tasty coffee ever. Now I'm gonna show you my favorite zone in this apartment is living room. Just check it out. So this is comfortable sofa for 3-4 people. We always care about your time with your friends, family, and of course, time for yourself. First of all, you can check wall art in this apartment. Actually, when I was thinking what I wanna do there, which style I'm gonna choose, first, what I saw is these posters, and then all the pictures in my mind was creative to this amazing style. For every apartment, we ordered Marshall sound system to, enjoy your time more and more louder. Also, TV. Look at this size. I'm just, wherever you're gonna be, in sofa, in kitchen, you're gonna see the amazing pictures with a tiny TV. Because what? Because we care about our guests. Also, I would love to show you our balcony. So we put grass, we put the comfortable chairs with a table. Of course, you can sit here, drinking, working, wherever you want. And this is our bedroom. Here we always care about your comfortable sleep. That's why we always order the really comfortable mattress and pillow. I want to show you more details how we care about the guests. First of all, we order a lot of handles because I know you need it. And of course, you have everything for your life. Even second set of bedding, of course. And a lot of place for your closet. Just a bit more about our plus. We have weekly cleaning. It's all inclusive. All bills are paid. Also, you don't need to care about everything because we're gonna care about this. Thank you for your attention and we're really interesting. What do you think about this apartment? Which zone you like the most? How do you like this style? We do interesting about everything because we want to be so helpful for you. Thank you. Bye.